Hey there mga may loves, Virgo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan na reading ninyo mga babes, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. And syempre wala tayong gender here. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Mag-jump right in na tayo agad-agad dito sa inyong October 2023 reading because the energy is so strong. Let's start this right away. Yeah. Messages for my Virgo, October 2023, please. Thank you so much, birds and angel guides. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Okay. Virgo. Okay. So, Virgo, let's see. So, Virgo, we have here the calm. So, it looks like there is some kind of a parang mas maayos, no? Mas magaan ang inyong October 2023. So, parang wala masyadong hassle ngayon mga babes, no? And this is you na parang chill lang, no? Walang pressure at work, na this is you, no? Mas makakaramdam ka rito ng serenity, peace, and calmness. So, you could be engaging as well into yoga right here. So, you could be doing some kind of meditation for others of you. But I can see that this is you, no? Na mas lighter, no? At mas light yung iyong month of October. Walang pressure. Pwedeng konti lang mga babes yung ibibigay sa yung work ng boss mo, no? There's enough space and time for you to be able to relax and chill and feel here the serenity, no? And yung iba, pwedeng nag-iisip kayo rito kung saan kayo rito magta-travel, vacation right here, or this is you na baka ikaw ay pupunta into trips right here or into a place, no, where is mas mararamdaman mo yung serenity. Yeah, we have here the self-love. So, I can see na mukhang yung October is ibibigay mo rito, no, yung time mo for yourself. And I can see na ito ay sakto lang, swakto lang for you guys, no, kasi nakikita ko rito, no, na kung ano man to na buwan na ito, no? Parang ito ay me time or ako muna ngayong month na to. So, I can see that this is you. Pwede mag-try ka ng new things or yung mga dati mo pang iniisip na i-try na mga new things. I can see you engaging to that and I can see that you're loving yourself here even more. And I'm picking up as well that this is you. You are not letting anyone to disturb your peace right here. This is you, no, na mas binibigay mo importance sa sarili mo, buying your favorite food, engaging with your favorite people right here, trying new things, going outdoor. Yan, no, pwedeng ikaw to, no, na mag-travel ka alone. No, this is you doing the things that makes you feel happy. So yun pala yun. And yeah, we have here the introvert. You could be introvert right here and I'm picking up that there is some kind of a privacy, yan, no, sa sarili mo dito, no. And this is you, no, not ikaw yung klase ng energy rito, no, na not totally introvert ka talaga, but you have this kind of energy that before you mingle with other people, you're making sure, no, na worthy sila ng time mo rito. So, yeah, no, this is you enabling boundaries right here. Kasi nakikita ko dito na maaaring meron dito mga connect sa inyo, no, new connections, new people, new friendships right here na gusto mag-start rito ng connection with you. Pwede mga new co-workers, new colleagues right here. So, I can see that you are talking to them, mingling to them, no, being sociable to them, but at the same time, naka-enable yung walls mo, yung boundaries mo, no, hindi ka rito nag-give into a situation, no, kapag hindi mo pa nakikilala ng maayos. So, hindi lang ito through friendships, pwede rin itong through works, no, or business. So, kung nararamdaman mo, no, na parang ikaw to na hey, I'm sorry about it mga babes, na pinakinggan ko lang kasi baka may kumakatok sa labas. So, going back right here, no, so yun nga, no, baka ikaw to na bago ka magpapasok ko dito ng tao sa buhay mo, you're making sure na nakinikilala mo muna silang mabuti. So, yeah. And at the bottom of the deck, see, relaxation. It's me time right here. Baka mahilig ka magbasa ng books, baka bookworm ka, no, or this is you, no. Mas feel mo talaga, no, na-enjoy mo yung sarili mo, no, kapag ka mag-isa ka. You're alone, but not lonely. Yan, no? You're maintaining your peace right here. See, napaka-light lang ng vibe dito, no? On October. Or baka kayo to, no? Nakakita rin kasi ako dito ng may malita, no? Or baka magpabakasyon kayo ng medyo mahaba-haba, no? Pwede sa ibang bansa. Or with nature, no? Kung saan kayo rito, marirelax. And yeah, I'm picking that, no? See? Wow! At mukhang dun mo na mahahanap ang sweetheart mo. Or kung ikaw ay may connection na with other people at expecting kayo na magkaroon dito ng baby or ng child here, yan, mga babes na I can see right here that meron ditong pregnancy. Wow! So, I can see right here no, na maaaring dun mo na nga mga babes, no, ma-feel ang ma-meet ang iyong love life kung wala ka pa nun, no? Ngayong time na to, no, kung saan may peace ka rito, may serenity, no, napaka-light ng energy mo, yung vibration mo is tamang-tama lang. And then picking up, no, na kung meron ka ritong kakonect na mga babes, nakikita ko rito na parang nararamdaman mo, no, na siya na rito yung makakasama mo rito, no, sa iyong lifetime or sa iyong life's journey right here. So, wow, beautiful Virgo. Let's see more. Ang ganda. Kasi it's all about peace. It's all about maintaining here. You could be seeing a lot of 666 or angel number 666 right here. Yeah, I'm picking up that this is you connecting here to yourself. Yan, no? Kumbaga parang pag-feel mo na hindi ito gusto mo or hindi ito yung bagay na gusto mong gawin, you're distancing yourself from that. And if you feel na gusto mo i-try itong bagay na to, hindi mo pinagdadamot yun sa self mo, you're giving into yourself. There's balance in here. See? Whether that's connection with other people, whether that's you're connecting here with your love of your life, or whether that's connecting here sa yung sarili, no? Nakikita ko na may balance dito on the month of October for you guys. So, let's see more for Virgos, October 2023. Please, something's changing here, mga may loves, no? And it is destiny, no? Something's transforming. I'm seeing that here, Virgo. Okay, may pagbabago dito sa buhay mo rito. I can see you here finding that peace, serenity, more healing for you guys. May iba sa inyo na involved kayo sa third party situation right here. Natatapos na yan because I can see someone here coming into your life. Yung iba, may options pa nga kayo mga babes. So, hindi ko alam kung sino tong mga energies na connect dito pero nakikita ko na may healthy options. See? Something's changing and it's changing fast in here. So for October, I'm seeing that this is you dwelling into these changes at hindi mo yan sinasalag. And papunta ito, wow, sa iyong wish fulfillment right here, Virgo. We have here celebration, 9 of Cups energy wherein you will feel more balance here. Mas balance yung life mo rito at maaaring ang opportunities na to, itong wish mo ay may kinalaman rito, no? Sa balance in your relationship, balance in your finances, no? Pero yung iba, balance in your life in general. Kasi nakikita ko rito na parang mas nagiging kalmado ka lang. You have this kind of beautiful energy here, no, na nakapalibot sa'yo, no. This is you na parang mapayapa lang, no. Magaan, no, yung pakiramdam mo. So, very good, no. So, yeah. Yeah, nag-iingat ka rito, no, with the 7 of Swords energy. You're protecting here yourself. Not literally engaging with other connections, no? New connections, oo, ko-connect ka. Pero this is you maintaining here your wall, no? The 7 of Swords is protecting yourself for you not to get hurt with the blade, yan, no? Kasi natuto ka na with your experiences in the past. And alam nyo naman yung ex nyo, Virgo, no, na lagi nating nakikita sa ating mga readings, no? Grabe yung mga ex din niya, 'di ba? So kayo ay isa sa mga zodiac sign na involved ng sobra sa third party situation. So nakikita ko dito, Virgo, no, na hindi nyo na yan may experience ever kasi kayo na to na natuto from the past and never na kayong babalik doon at tinalikuran nyo na ng bongga with this 3 of Wands energy. This is you looking in forward to the future, looking forward to the new things that's gonna come your way, but still maintaining here your boundaries and walls are up, your sword is up, and this is you, no, not wanting to get hurt anymore. So yeah, I'm picking up balance here for you guys, no. At nakikita ko rito na kung meron man kayong kino-contemplate dito or yung parang iniisip dito, no, meron kayo ritong hindi maalis-alis sa isipan ninyo, pwedeng problema, pwedeng challenge, pwedeng test, no? General reading kasi ito mga mahal, no? So, kung ano man yung challenge na yan, ano man yung test na yan, I can see it ending. I can see that you're getting out from that because there's balance in here. I can see that there is a solution coming in. So, problema man yan sa money, problema man yan sa connection, relationship, friendship, or sa family, maaayos yan dito because there's a solution that's gonna pop out right here on October 2023. So, yeah, see? No, Two of Swords is in reverse right here. So, I can see you here, no, na hindi ka na mag-aalala, mag-worry at mag-iisip sa bagay na yan. So, I can see right here, no, see? Justice again, there's balance in here. And ang maganda, no, gumagawa ka rito ng tulong, nagbibigay ka ng tulong sa iba, no? Pwedeng sa family, friends, no? Or with other people right here at bumabalik yun sa'yo nang hindi mo nalalaman. Hindi yun yung focus mo, ha? Hindi mo focus rito yung tutulong ka kasi alam mong babalik yun sa'yo 100 times fold. Hindi yun yung focus mo. This is you, okay? Helping other people, helping your friend in need, helping your family member, relatives right here without thinking of anything, no? Na babalik sa'yo. Pero nakikita ko na bibiyayaan ka because this is major arcana right here. Justice is being served wherein you will feel more balance right here. Yan, no? Kaya nga that's why this is coming here as a wish fulfillment. Kasi pagkakalooban ka rito, no, ng bagay rito dahil nagbibigay at tumutulong ka sa iba ng walang hinihintay na kapalit. Yung mga simpleng ginagawa mo mga mahal, no? Kunwari, no, this is yung baon mo, no? Bumili kang burger, no, sa Jollibee. Si Jollibee, no? Tapos meron kang nakita rito na street children, no? Binigay mo yung food mo na dapat baon mo yun. So, yan, no? Sa mga small things na yan, no? Tapos, ganun ka kasi, you have this big heart at yun yung nagpapabalanse ng buhay mo. Yung mga bagay na yun. See, I'm seeing you sitting on your throne right here, the Emperor. You will have more control here on your life on the month of October because you will have this abundance here. You will have this, you know, major arcanas to. Sunod pa to mga mahal, no? So, ibig sabihin, no, you will be in this type of energy wherein makokontrol mo rito lahat. Yung iba pag-upgrade to ng inyong kaperahan, no, pwedeng idaan yan sa promotion, idaan yan sa credit rito, no, kumbaga parang ikaw yung magiging employee of the month, may credit, no, may ibibigay sa'yo rito na pag-increase na income or money right here, recognition, so whatever it is, it will require you to sit on your own throne right here, Virgo. So, yeah, that's what I'm picking up right here for you guys. More relaxing talaga to for you. No? This is yung na parang na-hurdle ka, no, with the past few months na nangyari sa life mo, but this is you continuing your life right here, continuing pursuing here to achieve everything, no, at saka parang meron ka rito ang lot of inspiration. This is you na parang hindi ako magiging ganito forever, hindi ako masasadlak sa ganitong situation forever, no, so pwedeng kahit na ano yun, pero ayaw mo dun na magstay. So I can see you here looking into the future, brighter future for you guys, so that is what you're attracting into your life because you're maintaining that kind of vibration. So whatever it is, continue doing what you're doing right here, Virgo, because I can see that everything here is aligning in your favor, honey. Yeah, no, your wishes is coming forth towards you fast here. So I can see that there is some kind of a wish fulfillment right here that will be, or that will make your life feel balanced or more balanced right here. And I can see na napaparating na yan sa'yo in the near future. Very, very pretty soon for you, Virgo. That's what I'm picking up, and that will take you out from that stagnation, stuck na situation for you. So, I can see right here that you could possibly meet someone here online, kagaya ng pinag-uusapan natin kanina rito, no, that is someone here that is matching your energy. So, you could probably meet this person online, okay? So, this is some kind of a back and forth messages. I can see you here conversing with this person, but this person isn't in a rush. Yan, no? Etong tao na to papasok sa buhay mo noon October 2023 if you are single right here, but I don't see na agad-agad kayo magkakaroon ng relationship kasi it's a getting to know stage and parehas kayo ng gusto, ang mas magkakilanlan pa rito, no? At saka hindi naman yun yung nasa unang isipan ninyo kasi di ba yung iba, kaya sila nakikipag-usap online kasi partner yung hinahanap nila agad. Dito hindi. Dito mag-e-evolve ito naturally. Itong situation ito ay mag-a-unfold naturally. So, yan na nakikita ko dito for you guys. No? Wala ritong pressure at all. Everything is in alignment right here for you guys. So, whatever it is, I can see that it's something good and will something eventually beneficial for you. Yeah, I can see you here at peace. Alam mo yung pinakita ko dito ng feather-like na parang ang gaan-gaan lang ng buwan ng October for you guys. No? Tapos, pinalikuran mo na talaga rito yung past mo, which is very, very good because calmness and self-love is all about healing or indication na nag-healed ka na talaga. So, let's see, no, advice coming from the spirits for you, Virgo. Advice from the spirits, from the universe for my Virgo right here. Tell me more. At saka kayo to na hindi nagpapabaya, hindi kayo nagpapakain sa stress, no? Kunwari pagod kayo sa work, no? Hindi nyo hinahayaan na balutin kayo ng pagod, no? Yan, no? Hindi nyo hinahayaan na Nakakatawa kasi lumpia yung nakita ko nung sinabi ko yung balutin. So whatever the case, baka kakakain mo lang ng lumpia, no? Or baka may birthday yan dyan sa inyo. At lumpia yung handa, no? So, this is you. After work, pag feeling stress ka, gumagawa kang paraan, no? Pwedeng nanonood ka ng favorite mong Netflix series or cartoons, animes right here. Or maybe you're drinking your favorite drinks. Or maybe you're eating your comfort foods. Yan, no? Ganun yung ginagawa mo. Very good. Ganun talaga dapat mga mahal. Okay. Alright. So, Virgo, advice for you from the universe right here is in the near future, yeah. See, those are the angels telling you that pretty, very, very soon. Super lapit na. It's coming in real fast. Wish fulfillment right here that will make your life feel more balanced is pretty coming to you. Pretty soon, honey. And at the bottom of the deck, we have here that it's up to you. So, yeah. Continue doing. Yun ang ibig sabihin sa inyo ng universe. No? Continue doing. It's up to you because you're making boga a very positive vibration. So, if you keep on doing that, you're gonna attract this faster than expected here. So, yeah. Kung in the near future yan, mas mapapabilis pa yan narito, sweetheart, no? Lalo na kung itataas mo yung vibration mo. See, your angel is excited right here for you to be able to receive this ibibigay nila sa inyo. See? O, diba? So, nakikita ko dito na nakikinig ka sa yung intuition, no? At nalalaman mo, no? Energetically, spiritually, na meron ka ritong good news na paparating sa iyong life. So, thank you so much, Virgo. Sarang ngayon, love and light. Annyeong.